Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get straight to it. So, in today's video, I am actually going to change it up a bit. I'm going to be using a stock screener to get trades. I have about 30 for you guys for the week. I have about 30 trades for the week for you guys to get into, which is good news. Which is good news. Also, I will be going over gold and Bitcoin only. So this is going to be a long one. This is going to be a long one. All right, all right, all right. First news story today is Bitcoin breaks 84,500 amid tariff relief. Bitcoin surged over 1.5% to reach 84,900, aiming to end a 3 month downtrend. This rally followed the U.S. Customs and Border Protection announcement of exemptions for key tech products from Trump's tariffs, signaling potential easing in the trade war. Major cryptocurrencies like ETH, XRP, and Cardano, ADA, and XRP is Ripple, and ETH is, of course, Ethereum. Also saw significant gains, indicating increased risk taking in the market. We have this one right here, right here. The next two stories will be from this article. Again, it's a Wall Street Journal. I'm not paying for it, so if you guys are paying for it, you guys can pull it up. Can pull it up. So, U.S. stocks rebound despite volatile week. U.S. stocks experienced dramatic swings, with the NASDAQ surging 7.3% and the S&P 500 rising 5.7%, and the Dow gaining 5% by week's end, which was, on Friday. This rebound came after Trump's unexpected tariff announcement and 90-day pause on tariffs, which initially triggered massive sell-offs. Despite the recovery, all three major indexes remain below levels seen before the trade conflict escalated. One more article, or one more subject in this article. Gold hits records high as investors seek safe havens. Gold prices soared to record highs over the weekend, driven by investors seeking safe haven assets amid ongoing trade disputes and economic uncertainty. The, the surge in gold prices reflects heightened concerns over the global economic outlook and increased demand for assets perceived as stable during turbulent times. All right, all right. Now let's get on to the charts. Let's get on to the charts. Whew. There we go. There we go. Now, you guys. Oh, whoa, whoa. What happened? No. Did I lose some money? Did I lose some money? No, everything is good. Yes, this is my personal account. Yes, everything is good. Everything is good. All right. See, well, I might as well just show you guys. This is my personal account. This is my personal account. Oh, I don't have a stop loss for that. Let me. Why don't I have a stop loss for this? That's why. Cause I just got into it at the bowling alley. Let's go on to the daily. Yeah, I don't like that, coach. Why didn't I put a stop loss? What are we looking at? What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Let's draw that. Draw that. Draw that. Okay. This is on the 8 hour. 6 hour even looks even better. Okay. MACD looking good. All right, all right. Still, let me put a stop loss in. That stop loss right there. All right. Um, yeah, I like that stop loss right there. I like that. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like that. All right. Yes. So back to the charts. Let me get out of this. Let me get out of my personal account. Let's get out of my personal account. As you can see, this is testing. My other account, of course, this is paper trading. Uh, about broke even. No, scalping. That's when I was trying to scalp. I was trying to scalp. But yeah, so let's get to it. Let's get to it. So Bitcoin. As you see, Bitcoin on the daily is looking grand. This double bottom is definitely going. It's definitely gone. The double bottom on the 3 day. It is definitely looking good. All right, and gold, man, gold is just going crazy. It's just going crazy. It's just going crazy. All right, so what I have for you guys, um, so my channel is about giving trading signals, and I realized that these just trying to do these five signals in each is just not the best route I should be taking because my channel is about trading signals. All. So, here is my FinViz screener. So we have 20 on here and about another 10, of course, because it's 30 on the next page. On the next page. So what we're going to do is I'm going to first bring this over to my other screen, and then we're going to go through each one. Each one I'm going to mark it all up, and yeah, that's how we're going to do it. And if you have any questions on how to use FinViz, I can actually make a video for you guys if need be. But you just have to let me know. You just have to let me know. All right. So let's get to it. First one on the list is Banner Corp. Banner Corp. So on the 3 day. Oh, and also, news came out today. Tech stocks for this week. I am. What's the word I'm looking for? I am predicting that tech stocks for this week are going to rally. Going to rally. So let's just mark this chart up. Let's mark this chart up. We don't need that anymore. Blah 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 blah. I see a trend at the bottom going up like so. Now I won't make these perfect, but we are going to get there. We're going to get there. Just so you guys can see what is going on. Another trend right here. Can I do something like that? Yeah. Yeah, I can do something like that. Now let's go down to the daily. That looks good. Price is bouncing off this fair value gap from August of last year. August of last year. What the 6 hour looks like. Yeah, we still need some more time. We still need some time for this one. Still need some time for this one. However, if tomorrow this stock decides to continue to go down, this would be a reversal. This would be a reversal. All right, all right, all right. Moving on, moving on. BBVA. BBVA. This one looks even better. This one looks even better. It's a beautiful trend going up. Beautiful trend. Let's mark it up real quick. Boom. Boom. So, through there, this has to have been like on the 9th or the 8th or whatever. Oh, this was last Friday. So, we see an engulfing candle, which is great. That means the next 3 days we will be going up. What is this, Monday? Yes, so tomorrow will be a good day to get in. Let's look on a daily. Let's look on a daily. Yes, tomorrow is a good day to get in. No, I can't really see that. Like I said, you don't want to force anything. You don't want to force anything. This is a penny stock, so not much movement going on it, going in it. It's not much movement, but this is why we trade the higher time frame so we can actually see it. It's a trend right there. Even though this is in the past, but this is definitely a trend. I mean, a pattern. Definitely a pattern. Bitcoin has been in this pattern basically all last summer, actually. The same formation. So, yeah, I will get in this trade tomorrow. I will definitely get in this trade tomorrow. All right, let's moving on to BSRR. BSRR. All right. So, this concerns me just a little bit. Just because it looks like it closed below this 200-day EMA. So I would definitely, check this out a little more. This one definitely needs some more time. But I'm giving you guys signals. So that you guys can put these on your radar. So you guys can put this on your radar. That's a good trend line, actually. So, what we're looking for, since price closed below this 200-day EMA, there's a good chance. Let me draw this. There's a good chance that price will be trying to get to this trend line. It's a good chance. But however, once price cross this, I would definitely get in. If I were you guys. Let's look on the daily. Really don't see much. However, on a daily, price is rejecting from this fair value gap. What does the 6 hour say? Even better. And of course, the MACD down here is looking good as well. All right. Moving on to calm. Ooh, Now this is another A plus. This is another A plus. This is another A plus. Let's look on the daily. I mean, it's clearly engulfing right there. Clearly engulfing. Clearly engulfing. Let's look on the daily. What do we have on the daily? Yeah, price is moving up. Price is moving up. I will definitely get in right here and put a take profit right here. $10 take profit. Options will be even better. Even better. What the 6 hour looks like. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Yeah. This is a good area. It's a double fair value gap. This is a good area to take profits. Or TP1 or however you trade. However you trade. All right. Moving on to Curry. Let's see. This is another penny stock. So anything lower than maybe 6 hours. Yeah, it's gonna look crazy. It's gonna look crazy. Well, no, it don't look too crazy. It's a trade right there. It looks like. All right. Let's go back to here. All right. So off back, I see a trend right here. See a trend right there. Price broke this. Man, I keep forgetting what this called. I keep forgetting what the previous area is called. Anyways, it broke it here. Boom, boom. It broke it right there. Price 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 broke it right there. So we know there's a high probability that price is going to continue to go up. Price is going to continue to go up. We can put another, look at that MACD. It's on a daily. Like so. So yeah, so it's definitely trading in a channel. Definitely trading in a channel. So I would definitely put a TP, somewhere around 330 or I'll say about 340. I will put my TP about 340. We'll definitely put that. The MACD is showing some buying pressure. MACD showing buying pressure. Yep. That's what I'll be looking at. That's what I will be looking at. CZFS. CZFS. Beautiful. I see that off rip. Come on, what we doing? What we doing, coach? Boom. I see that off rip. Then you can draw another one like that. This would be the better trend line. That would be the better trend line. And then we have another one down here. So if you want, this is a little. So if you want now, this is looking like it wants to do a reversal. Does looks like that. Now, however, this is actually going through everything pretty good. Price is definitely so. What I'm guessing that this is going to do, it's going to go back and then come back down, then shoot up like that. That's what I'm predicting price to do. What does the daily look like? Daily is not looking too good. We have an engulfing bearish candle right here. So it might come back down a little bit. Might come back down a little bit. 6 hour. Yeah. Yeah. I would just wait till, the trend line is crossed on the daily and on the 3 day. I will wait till these trend lines are crossed for this one. All right, moving on. DTM. DTM. Let's see. Are we still recording? Wow, we're already at 20 minutes. It's going to be a long one. DTM. It's another one. It's another one. That's looking good. I see a double bottom. I see a double bottom off rip. Come on. See a double bottom. Boom. Boom. And you want to get in right here once price breaks this candle right here for a safe entry. For a safe entry. However, this candle is showing me all good signs to get in now. Let's click on the daily. Yeah. It's time to get in this trade. It is time to get in this trade. Now let's just continue to draw these trend lines. Draw these trend lines. And what do you know? It's bouncing off the trend line. So that's another good sign of getting in as well. It's another good sign of getting in. Getting in. All right. Moving on to GFI. GFI. Now, I assume this has something to do with gold. Yes. This is a gold stock. South Africa. Yeah. I don't think I need to say anything else about this one. I mean, this follows gold. This follows gold. And as you see, it's shooting up. Is it at all-time high? No, it is not. It is not. It is not at all-time high yet. It is not at all-time high yet. However, it does looks like no, that's too much. That's too much. But yeah, I don't think I need to draw anything. It's just following gold, which is good. GSHD. GSHD. Insurance. I hope this insurance not in Florida. I don't know if you guys been paying attention, but Florida insurance is running away. It's running away. All right. Yep, I'll take this trend line from July of last year. Yeah, I'll take that trend line. I'll take that one. So, as you see that on the 3 day, price will be ranging. Price is ranging in here. Price is ranging in here. It's looking like it want to do a double bottom. What does the weekly look like? 2 week. I don't know. The double bottom is on the week on the 2 week. All right, yeah. So on the daily is showing good pressure, good buying pressure. The other day, Wednesday, which is my birthday, the 9th of April, it engulfed. Yeah. So on the 6 hour, looks like a flag could be forming. It looks like it's a flag that could be forming, something like this. Something like that. Not much trading volume in this stock. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that, coach. I'll take that. All right. And that is GSHD. All right. Moving on to HAFC. It looks good. It looks good as well. I can definitely see something like that. What is that? A wedge, I believe. Yeah. When it does something like this, boom, 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 and then something like that. This is that pattern. It bounced off the 200-day EMA, which is good. Which is good. Let's take that out so we can see. Yeah, this is a good. This is a good one. This is a good one. We can draw this trend line from right here to there. I like that. I like that. Yeah, so of course, being safe, I will TP right there. Just being safe. All right, moving on, moving on. We have HSBC. Pretty sure everybody is familiar with this company. In golfing, in golfing, in golfing, in golfing, immediately, in golfing. So yes, I would definitely get in right. Get in right here and then continue to hold, to somewhere right up in here. What does the 6 hour look like? You can start seeing bullish pressure. You can start seeing that bullish pressure on the 6 hour. So yeah, around 58 is where I would put my TP. Yeah, it's right there, about 58. 58. It's like 3 fair value gaps up in here. You got 1, 2. Yeah, that's 3. All right, all right, all right. So let's move it back. ITRN. Never heard of this before. Basically showing the same thing. Basically showing the same thing, guys. I believe we have found the bottom. We have found the bottom. We have found the bottom. So all of these stocks are starting to look the same. JFIN. Yeah, all of these stocks starting to look the same. This one looks a little different. This one looks a little different. This one, yeah, it looks a little different. We still need some more data for this one. Now it is starting to curve, which basically means selling pressure is dying off. Selling pressure is dying off. Excuse me. So, price did reject off the 200-day EMA on the 6 hour. So yeah, so within a couple of days, maybe next week, we can see a buy signal. We can see a buy signal. All right, moving on. LSBK, Lakeshore Bancorp. This looks just similar to what we just had. Come on, computer. LSBK. This is another financial. So I don't see anything for buys for this one, but it's coming. It is definitely coming. So yeah, this might be on the list for next week as well. This might be on the list for next week as well. All right, moving on to LYG. In golfing. It's another good buy. It's another good buy. This is another good buy. And it's cheap. It's cheap. It is cheap. That option is probably even cheaper. All right. MFG. Is this the right one? Mizio. All right. That's good. Price bounced off the 200-day EMA and made a fair value gap in this area. Yeah, this is a good buy actually. It's another penny stock. This is a good buy. This is a good buy. MRBK. MRBK. What is this called? Meridian Corp. Good reversal. Very good reversal signal. Candlestick reversal. Good candlestick reversal. Yes. Look at the MACD, guys. Look at the MACD. And it turned green already. Look at the MACD. Yeah, so all of these, everything is starting to look the same. I guess I set up my FinVez pretty good. Pretty good. All right, moving on to MSIF. Is this the cruise? Is that it? It's financial asset management. No, that's not the cruise. This is fairly new. I don't know about this one. Just because I really don't have my indicators yet. What's the 6 hour looking like? Yeah, I don't know about this one. Yeah, I don't know about. I don't like this setup. I don't like this setup. As you can see, there is a double bottom right here. I just don't like this setup. Just don't like this setup. Well, hold on. Wait a minute. Okay. So price is rejecting off this trend line. See, this is why I trade with trend lines. This is why I trade with trend lines. So yeah, so it can be something. It can be something in a few days. It can be something in a few days. Wait till Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah, wait till Thursday, and we will see. We will see. What else? NRIM. Looking good. Looking good. I've been seeing this double top a lot. I've been seeing this double top a lot. And it's almost like the same. Well, we can't do that now, can we? Yeah. It's rejecting off this trend line. That's the daily looks like. Yeah, everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. NWG. NWG. Engulfing. Enough said. Engulfing, and I will possibly get in this trade and hang it out to. Yeah, I'll hang it out to here. Somewhere in the middle of this fair value gap. And if it gets to this fair value gap quickly, then I will shoot it for 1588. All right, moving on to the next page. So we have 10 more. Opera. I used to have that on my phone years ago. The big O. Yeah. This is like an internet browser where it was back in the day. It was back in the day. So this is a good sign. This is a good sign. Price did drop below the 200-day EMA. However, in the next 3 days, starting on Wednesday, price started to shoot up again. Shoot up again. Another good buy. Another good buy. I take this trade to this fair value gap easy. I would take that trade to this fair value gap easy. Easy money. Easy money. All right. Patterson Companies, whatever that is. PDCO. Whoa. What happened here? This is weird even for what happened last. What? I've never seen this before, guys. I've never seen this. And this was from December. So what happened on December 10th? Was it earnings or something? No, well, yep, it was earnings. You see that E right there? Why won't it pop up? Yep, it went up 1.3%. 21 million. Man, they had a good day. All right, so that was a lot. Cause that's a massive candle. Man, that went up a lot. That went up a lot. I honestly don't even know how to trade this at this point. I mean, I guess I can do something like that. But what about the bottom? Yeah, I don't like this one. I mean, price is respecting it all the way through. Yeah, price has respected all the way through. So this is a valid trend line. That's a valid trend line, but yeah. Yeah, forget that one. PWOD. PWOD. Excuse me. Man, I thought that said something else. Man, come on. Ooh. We have a bearish engulfing. We have a bearish engulfing. And this is on the 3-day. But however, it's still in a flag. It's still in a flag. Excuse me. Can we get a double bottom? I don't know. We need some more time on this one. We need some more time on this one. But it is definitely trading in the channel. And this channel looking like it will be a flag. All right, moving on to sand. This is a long video, guys. But I'm giving y'all a free game. Giving y'all a free game. Yep, I'll get in. I mean, we've been seeing this setup all day. All day. We've been seeing this setup. Fair value gap looking good. Everything is looking good. GBFG. GBFG. No, SB. My apologies. My apologies. On the 3-day. Like so. Like so. I don't really see much on this one. Or just maybe I'm just using the wrong trend line. Let's do something like that. Could this be a cup and handle? This could possibly be a cup and handle. What am I looking for? Oh, shit. Cup and handle. Something like that. And then boom. And then shooting up like that. This is basically what it looks like. Ooh, that looks terrible. That looks terrible. But yeah, it's something like that. Again, we need more data. We need some more data. TIGO. Is that it? Yes. Millicon. Boom, boom, boom. Get that trend. I know y'all can see that. I know y'all can see that. Yeah. Looks like someone's going to break out soon. Yeah, somebody is breaking out. It's another good sign when they're all in order. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, we're definitely breaking out on this one. We are definitely breaking out on this one. And it just turned green on the 6 hour. This might be one of the best trades so far. This is in communications. Unit. We almost done, guys. We almost done. All right. Let's get the major trend. Oh, wow. This sucker just been dropping. I like that one. I get more touches with that one. Oh, I'm on the wrong. Come on now. But it still looks good. Still looks good. All right. Now, price is below every EMA. Looks like price is going back up. Of course, you always want to use the EMAs as TPs, just because we use those as magnets. Now, whenever price close above this trend line, this 3-day trend line, that would be a good trade. That'll be a good trade. I mean, price has came in this area so many times. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. All right. WMB. WMB as in Bob. I like it. I like what I see already. I'm liking what I see already now. I don't know if I want to angle it like that. Yeah, I'm liking what I see already. I'm already seeing a trade. Price closed above the EMA. It's another sign that price is going to continue to go up. It's going to continue to go up. Yep. This is another good trade. Another good trade. And if you notice, all of these trades, price isn't too much. Price isn't too much. I did that because small accounts. Not everybody have $10,000 to put in to start trading with. Not everybody has it. I didn't start with that. Yeah. All right. Moving on. NEB.